Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? Here comes another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and this is the music of new San-Geu-Tai Band. And last year's album, Migration, was shortlisted for the Best Hakka Album Award at this year's Golden Melody Awards. The song you're about to hear, Morning Market, 走市, was inspired by the enthusiasm and passion of fans of the band, portraying the ambiance of the traditional market in the morning. Let's take a listen.恭喜山狗大后生乐团去年推出的专辑《回游》入围本届金曲奖最佳客语专辑奖，其中这首歌曲《早市走私》灵感来自于乐团在演出与旅途中感受到粉丝的热情，就像市集里的活络以及晨间喧腾的景象。Hope you enjoy that song by new San-Geu-Tai Band. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.